Our NSF natural gas commercial char broiler. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, the length, we're looking at 59¼ inches, and the depth of 25¼ inches, with the overall height of 15¾ inches. And the height without the legs, we have at least 11¾ inches tall. The measurements for the char broiler area, overall length, left to right, we have at least 59 inches, with a depth 18¼ inches. Each plate can be removed, and the measurement for each plate will be at least 5¾ inches in length, and the depth of at least 18 7/16. So each plate can be removed for cleaning and inserted back on top of the burners. Left to right are the oil and waste that will run off to the left and right waste trays beneath. Total of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 separate burners that you can control simultaneously or separate to control the cooking area on top. Located here is your BTO information along with the ETL certification stamp. For more information on this product, visit our website or give us a call so we can assist. Thank you.